Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's 2nd May, the second day of my birthday month, and we just came to the farmhouse. If you can see, the time right now is around 3 p.m. We just came here for an evening. We are going to go back at night because there have been some works going on here, so we just came to check up on them and also to chill for a little bit. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This top is actually from Shein. You might have already seen it from my Shein haul last year. The last Shein haul actually. After that, Shein got banned. Anyways, so yeah, it's a really nice bright sunny. All the onions from our farm, like look at it, one complete basket. Here there are more, and here again a bag full of onions. We have no idea what to do with this, so if anyone wants can message me. 20 rupees for 5 kgs. Just kidding. But yeah. Also works have been going on, as I said you, there's always a lot of painting work and all going on. So yeah, they painted this entire thing again, I guess. So yeah, there's a lot of work going on and I was about to fall. And yeah, there's work going on even here. So yeah, that is what is happening right now. The entire place have been sanitized before we came, but we are not taking any risks, so we are not even removing the mask because there are a lot of people coming in. There's no one inside right now, and every place, every room has been perfectly sanitized before we arrived, but extra precautions always. Also, the weather is like so beautiful, like look at it. There's cool air coming and there's Louis, if you can see, and the weather is like perfect right now. Hi guys, so I'm just out of my shower. Yeah, we reached home almost like an hour ago and I took a really nice hot shower and I'm just out of my shower. So I just wanted to do show you like a quick night routine thing. This is not like a skincare routine. Or let me just place you right here. I hope the lighting is okay. It's weird. So yeah guys, let me just show you like this little nighttime routine which I've been doing for like a while now, and I feel my skin is getting a little more healthier. This is not like a huge skincare routine, so I have been absolutely loving this serum by Innisfree. This is their green tea seed serum. So what I do is I apply it on my face. I apply like a really good layer of it on my face. It just gives such a good moisturization to my skin, and at the same time, it keeps my skin hydrated, and even on the next day I could feel the magic that it does to my skin because it makes my skin super plumpy, and I can literally see a lot of difference and actually understand how healthy my skin has been looking. So yeah, this is one thing that I have been doing for like a past week. Definitely not more than that. More than that though, I used to use my Pond's Light Moisturizer. Before a month I used to have like a dedicated skincare routine, but now I'm just sticking to 1 or 2 products because I've become lazier. And so yeah, this is the serum that I have been absolutely loving. And then of course I have to use my Laneige lip sleeping mask, so I'm just applying it on my lips like a really thick layer. And also I have been using, in case you've seen my some vlog, previous vlog, I don't remember, I mentioned how much I've been loving this body oil from Plum. I take like a really generous amount of it onto my hands, if you can see, like this much, and then I like to apply it all over my hands and legs. So I just wanted to share that with you. Also made myself some Maggie, like kind of like a midnight snack because it's like 12 a.m. right now and I'm like so super hungry. I actually avoid eating late at night, but today I'm like so hungry and I couldn't help myself. and I made some Maggie. Ruby's sleeping here and I'm watching some TV. So yeah, good night. Got my new yoga mat and look at this guy. He already ruined it. Like look. Louis, no. No, 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 no. Like look at him guys. Look at him. You want to work out, Louis? You want to work out? Time right now is actually 1 a.m. I haven't really vlogged the entire day because I was feeling very low, so I wasn't really able to. I just had to push myself out of the bed today. I didn't really feel like vlogging today. And you know what, I watched Netflix for like 7 hours straight. That is how bad I was feeling today. If you know me, you know that I can't binge. I cannot watch more than 2 episodes a day, and today was one of the days where I just wanted to escape no matter what. I actually scheduled a lot of things up for today and I was not feeling good before, and then the fact that I haven't done anything that I planned to do made me feel more miserable. Just being super hard on myself. Like the afternoon, night, evening time showers are like my most favorite things. Like they're like my me time, they're like therapy for me, and today was one of those days where I didn't even want to take a shower. So yeah, that is how bad I was feeling, and I didn't even get ready today. You know, it's my birthday month, and you know, all of this is very silly for a lot of people, but you know, these are those things that make me happy. No matter what people think, I am going to do that for myself because that makes me really happy. Anyways, coming to the topic, so I was feeling like super miserable today, and I just thought he's going to sleep, and I couldn't even sleep because I was regretting that I didn't do anything the entire day. So then I thought, okay, I just need to pull myself out of the bed. I turned on the neon light. I kept my AC temperature at 18 degrees. I don't know, like this is the vibe I enjoy, the light and the AC, and that's why I have my chadar on. So I went to the bathroom, took like a really hot shower, just you know, vibing with the neon light and have Ariana Grande playing in my room like in a super loud. I was actually vibing with it, and that made my mood so better. What I actually understood is these are difficult times. You really need not be hard on yourself. You know, try different things. You know, it can be a song, it can be just a light, you know, it can be a shower, any small thing, just a face mask, whatever, just painting your nails, anything. But you know, that gave like the entire day how bad I was feeling, that quickly changed in like few minutes. And yeah, now I'm feeling so much better, and I think right now I can sleep peacefully. So I just wanted to share this piece with you all. Today was a bad day. A lot of people who work for my dad, a lot of my relatives and all, they have been going through all of this, and that makes my heart really heavy. But at this point of time, the most important thing is you have to be sane. You know, don't have any toxic positivity no matter whatever is happening. You know, you just have to keep yourself positive. That is all is not important. It is okay to feel things, and it is okay to find something which can help you deviate from what you're going through. Even if you're not, that is fine. Like that is what I have learned today. And yeah, we are all in this together, and we'll get out of it at some point of time. That is it, guys. Good night. I really wanted to end this out. I see you tomorrow. Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 4th May and the time right now is actually 6:30 p.m. I was just lazing around the entire day. I was binging the Bold Type the entire day. After binging it yesterday as well, I completed the show today. You know, I really tend to get attached to these shows a lot, and you know, when they get over, I just really don't know what to do with my life anymore. Not only with shows, you know, if this product is over, I am going to be holding on to this empty bottle for a long time, which is very bad, but you know, it just hurts me to let go of things. Anyways, today it's time for me to get ready. Sorry for the noise outside. So I'm planning to go on for like a really dramatic blue eye look for today because I wanted to try out this palette, and also I want to try something different. So what we are going to do is go pick some really nice blue outfit and get ready for the day. because it's my birthday month. Yeah, I'm going to be saying this is my birthday month for the entire month, so get used to that. And also, if you've noticed, I have taken like a middle partition today, just like that. Not really my style, but you know, I wanted to try all things different today. And yeah, I just washed my hair. They almost turned like completely curly, but that is okay. And yeah, let's go pick an outfit and get ready. And also, this is how my wardrobe looks like from the inside. That day I actually forgot to show it to you. So these are all like normal tops until here, and these are like all of my crop tops. Yeah, I love crop tops and all. These are like more of like, just a second, I'll remove it from the way. These, all of these are like more of like winter wear. They are jackets, and you know, they are like these you know, cozy stuff, a few sweatshirts, and these are like all of my coordinate sets. These are also like my winter wear, but everything is falling down, so I just put them right here. And this is more of like my tripod. I used to use it like a tripod. This is actually a selfie stick, and this is actually like a liquid soap dispenser, and I made like a DIY tripod with this some time ago. So yeah, let's go and pick a blue outfit. Hi guys, so here is my OOTD. This blue crop tank top is actually from Zara. This pullover is from Urbanic. Again, it is like so super fluffy, if you can see. And also I read it in my Urbanic haul, if you have seen that. And these super bag like Lucy jeans are actually from Shein, which I got like long time ago. And this is how my OOTD looks like. Not entirely my type, but yeah, we are doing a change today, right? So yeah, let it be. Now let's do the makeup. So I'm going to put you guys right here, and I'm going to be doing like a time lapse because I don't really want to do like a detailed video because it's going to take a long time, and I'm doing this blue thing for the first time. So yes, let's go. So guys, this is how my makeup has turned out, and I almost hate it. I know it is weird, like I don't think color suits me at all, you know, like neutrals, browns are fine, but you know, blues and greens, that too in a smoky blue eye look, is not at all for me. I don't like the way this looks on me at all. I don't know if I have done like a bad job, or you know, this doesn't suit me at all, but I really do not feel like myself. I don't feel happy in this look whatsoever. So today has been kind of a fail, but yeah, we learned something. I cannot do color, or at least color doesn't suit me. I need to figure it out. I've been a lot of mishaps today, and overall my look has been kind of a fail. And yeah, that is okay. We need to experience everything. So yeah, I'm done for the day. This is my dress, this is my makeup, and I also kind of changed into pajamas because those pants were literally killing me. Like I wanted to be more comfortable. So yeah, I put on my pajamas back, and this is the look for day 4. And yeah, trying this made me hungry, so I also ordered myself a shawarma. It is wheat shawarma, so it is a little healthier, I can say. Also, now that my blue makeup has failed, let's try this blue pea and chamomile tea. I actually ordered from Amazon yesterday only, and yeah, I can't wait to try it out. So yeah, let's try it out. It's supposed to be like blue in color, so let's see. Also, if you open, this is how they glow. Yeah, that is a foundation on my hand, and this is how the tea bags look like from the inside. They look so cute. So yeah, let me just quickly heat up some water and see how it looks. This guy is making all that sound. Louis, what are you doing? So yeah, this is what this guy is doing from that time. Okay. Are you camera shy, Louis? Are you camera shy? Tell me. So guys, the water is boiling, and here is my cup. So let's just quickly pour it. This is how the tea bag looks like from the inside. I'm actually struggling doing it with like one hand, but yeah, this is how it looks like. Looks like there are some flowers in it, and just place it into the water, and yeah, push it in. Oh my god, I just kind of burned my hand. So let's wait and see if this tea actually turns blue. I'm excited. They actually said to steep for like 5 to 6 minutes. If they, yeah, you have to steep it for 3 to 4 minutes. So yeah, let's just wait and see. If you can see, the tea actually started to change its color to like light blue. I just put a spoon so that, you know, it doesn't come up. I'm actually excited. Even the pictures, you know, there was like super nice deep dark blue. I hope this turns in that color too. It's been like almost like 3 minutes, I guess, and this is the color of the tea, and I'm living for it. Oh my god, I dropped some on my feet. But yeah, it smells like flowers, you know. Now let's taste this one. Hey, do you want to taste the tea? Do you want to taste it? Like, look at the color of the tea, guys. I wasn't expecting it to be this blue though, really. Oh. Anyways, let's taste it. I'm super excited. It actually smells like flowers, you know. It tastes exactly the way it smells like. It is not great. It is bad, but not extremely bad. It is drinkable, but you know, this tea is supposed to release your stress, reduce anxiety, and promote like really good healthy peaceful sleep. So yeah, I'm giving it a try for that. And my dinner has arrived, so I actually ordered myself a wheat shawarma. So yeah, that is all for today. See you tomorrow. There's someone at the door. And yeah, that is it for this vlog, guys. I'm just sitting here watching YouTube. There's Louis, have my neon lights on, have my pajamas on, and yeah, that is today's plan. And yeah, that is all for today's vlog. I hope it was not boring, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next one. Although Remy looks she wants to say something. Okay,